The Dell WD19 docking station is one of the most widely used USB-C docks in corporate environments, but disconnection issues continue to affect users across various laptop models. Users commonly experience five main types of disconnection problems that can disrupt productivity and workflow. First, intermittent display disconnections cause screens to go black unexpectedly. Second, USB peripherals randomly drop connection, affecting keyboards, mice, and storage devices. Third, power delivery interruptions can cause laptop battery drain. Fourth, audio devices disconnect during important video calls. Finally, network adapter instability affects internet connectivity. These disconnection issues stem from three primary root causes that affect the dock's stability and performance. Power negotiation failures occur when the dock cannot maintain stable communication with the laptop's USB-C controller, causing complete connection resets. Thermal management problems arise when internal temperatures exceed 65 degrees Celsius, triggering thermal throttling that causes temporary disconnections. USB-C alternate mode switching problems occur when the dock switches between DisplayPort, USB 3.0, and power delivery modes, causing brief disconnections if not properly managed. Dell's Universal Dock Driver manages the complex interactions between multiple system components to maintain stable connections. The Universal Dock Driver coordinates five critical components: USB-C controller firmware, display adapter drivers, network adapter drivers, audio subsystem drivers, and power management drivers. Keeping firmware and drivers updated is crucial for dock stability. Units running firmware versions prior to 01.18 show 3 times higher disconnection rates. Regular firmware updates, proper driver management, and understanding these root causes are essential for maintaining stable dock connections and optimal performance. The first step in troubleshooting WD19 disconnection issues is hardware verification. Start by checking your power adapter and cable. Next, update your dock firmware and drivers. Use Dell Command Update to ensure you have the latest firmware version 01.0.20 or later, and install Universal Dock Driver version 2.8.0 or newer. Power management settings are critical for dock stability. Disable USB Selective Suspend in Windows Power Settings and configure Optimized Charging Mode in Dell Power Manager. For advanced troubleshooting, use Dell Support Assist to run comprehensive diagnostics and check Windows Event Viewer for USB-related error messages that can help identify specific issues. Looking ahead, consider migrating to USB 4 or Thunderbolt 4 solutions for improved stability and performance. These newer standards offer better power management and reduced disconnection issues compared to the current WD19 dock. By following these systematic troubleshooting steps, from hardware verification to power management optimization, you can resolve most WD19 disconnection issues and ensure stable dock performance.